I see us trades 101. This is Cameron Simpson. I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. So, hopefully, you guys are having a good day today. Beautiful day outside where I'm from. So, anyways, guys, I'm just going to set up everything like I usually do. So, let's give me a second here and we'll jump on into things. Okay. So, anyways, we're going to cover AMC, ticker symbol AMC this morning. Okay, so AMC Entertainment Holdings, they were at $50.27. We were at 4.63. That was at market close yesterday. We're currently right now, just as market's opening in 3 minutes, we're at $57.17. We are actually down minus 1.89. 1.84 just changed. Don't worry about that. It's all good. We got her under control today. This is what the new rules out, the new laws, whatever you want to call them, are out today. So we'll see what that does to the market. Nobody can tell this stuff. We'll just have to see. We'll have to see if it'll attract some more people to buy. So we're just going to leave it on here. I'm just going to go through. GME is at $22.40. That would be at market close. Market right now at pre-market's $22.50, 70 cents. We're jumping around here. We're at 1% in the green today on that one. And we are going to go back to AMC. I'm just scanning to see what month in pre-market here. What we got right now, MicroVision is already at 2.23% in the green. So yeah, the market is a little bit greener today than yesterday. When it opened, it was all red. It was the sea of red. So we're gonna get a little kickstart here in about 2 minutes on AMC. I'm just curious to see what is gonna happen. Just gonna wait for some more people to get in here. How is the video quality? There's a couple people on here right now. Just give me a thumbs up. Are you guys any video lag, anything like that? Clear volume. And for the new people on here, I got multiple screens in front of me. If I'm not looking directly at you, it's not that I'm ignoring you guys. Like I said, I've got a lot of stuff on the go. I got a couple scanners, laptop, to keep track of all of our software. We deal with Reddit. We deal with Perfect. Okay, thanks guys. Thank you. Thank you, Woo, is it? AW, I'm going to call you WUU. That's harder to say. AW, I'm going to call you. Is that okay? I always do abbreviations. It's just once the people start rolling in here, it's I do abbreviations because it's too hard to keep on going. So, anyways, we got one minute right now, and we'll see what happens. We're at almost 2% in the red. Okay, you got blocked here. I'm gonna unhide that. I don't know why is it blocking that show. Weird. I don't know why it blocked you. YouTube blocked you, but I unlocked you there, bud. I don't know. It's the stupid mods on this thing. So, anyways, yeah. So yeah, we got people. We got a couple of people on here. We got 7 people on here in so far. Reddit and everything like that is not linked to YouTube, guys. Okay, just so you guys are wondering, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook are not on our chat. Okay, so it's just us. Okay, just so you guys know if you're new here. So market just opened. We'll see what happens here. Wow, we got a bit of a fight on our hands. There we go. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Watch this, guys. Watch. Today's going to be a good day. Look at this. Straighten it out. Oh, wow. We got a bit of a fight on our hands right away. Bam. Like to see it. Yes, I do have a position in AMC, man. A pretty good. We got 1,000 shares in AMC. a little bit of a position. And I always show live mounts here, like what we make throughout the day. So I'm gonna be on till about 7:50 this morning, and then I'm gonna be jumping off. I got to take my truck into the shop to get fixed and stuff. I'm actually currently out camping right now. So I came into town to do a live stream for you guys and to check everything and that. But I do have your, as you know, if you're on the channel, I do send a podcast. If this thing squeezes, you will get a podcast from me. Beautiful stuff. Look at the volume coming in here, guys. Already. Everything else is in the green. My whole portfolio is pretty much in the green, except the ones that are usually doing bad are doing bad. So. Wow, I'm liking this. Here, let me blow this screen up for you guys a bit here, just to see, because some of you guys are watching on smartphones and stuff. But welcome to the channel, my friend. Thank you for your. Did you sub already? If you haven't, hit the sub button. If not, it's all good. So the reason why why we push the sub thing on here is because we give out notifications when this is gonna squeeze. So you're gonna get a note. You're gonna get a podcast, and all the other members pretty much know this on AMC and MicroVision. We're having a battle here this morning already. Like, as we all know, if you go watch the market, usually about 9 or 10 o'clock is when you get the real data. Like, all these trading platforms are dumping right now. Like, people that have been trading, if you order trades like during after hours, it just stockpiles and unloads. So that's usually what happens. Yeah, I can review the chart right here. On AMC, is that what you want? So yeah, we're at $57.11. We're at 2.97 in the red right now. I'm just going through the numbers right here. So our volume, we've already got 4.6 million. I'm gonna draw a trend line here for you guys this morning, just to show you what the day progression is. We're gonna put a horizontal trend line. We're gonna whap one right up right there. So this is what we want to get past. We want to get past in the $60 range. We want to get up to about, I would like to get around $68, $70. We're going to have a rejection though. I'm almost positive on that, because we usually have to test 3 to 4 times on AMC. It just seems it's just a pattern that we have. And a lot of people are doing, it looks like we got a bit of a sell-off happening here. So, anyways, we're going to cover AMC. I'm just going to blast through a couple things here. I usually go through a couple things, and then we'll come back to AMC. I'm just going to go over to GME here. Have a look. See, they're getting the same action. The same kind of stuff is happening. Little slow this morning on this one. But as you know, this thing trades the way less stocks. So we're at $219, and we're having a good buy-in here, actually. $220 roughly and 80 cents. We're in the green now on this one. It's 0.18. So it's going back and forth. They're all having a fight. The market has done a turn in the last couple of days. If you guys watch the market, you probably noticed that with crypto and all that kind of stuff. It's been up and down. Doji is up 15.17 at 0.24 right now. Okay, this thing's gonna go up. It's gonna go back up. A lot of people are gonna make money on this right now. If this goes back up into like where it was before, you can make some substantial money on this. I would be very cautious on crypto right now, because the hedgies are liquidating their positions. Yeah, sorry, buddy. I was just reading some stuff on the side screen. I'll get to you once. Yeah, so what happens is they got to cover their positions on AMC, right? A lot of these hedgies have money in crypto. Okay, that's why you see all these hedgy commercials pumping crypto. Okay, so pretty much everything else. Sundial is at 0.94. We're at 6.41 in the green. I'm just blasting through stuff off the side chart off of my portfolio. I do own all these stocks on the left hand side. Majority except crypto. I don't own any crypto right now. I think I own $25, which is like nothing. So we're gonna go back to AMC here. We're getting a bit of a correction here, and yeah, I don't mind. My average cost, like what I bought in. Okay, yeah, I can discuss that for sure. It's my personal there. We banged off our horizontal trend line. This is what we want, guys. See, that's why I put these trend lines here. So I told you we're gonna do today's gonna be an all right day. It's just we had to work out the dump of all the shares going in. You have to remember this puppy's full of synthetic shares, like big time. They're producing them right now. I hate to say that, but these new laws could help. But like we're gonna bounce and test this line a bunch of times. Okay. So, anyways, back to your question. I have $8. We are $8.23, and I own 188 shares at that price. And then we own another. It's $14, I think, and some chump change. And I own like 840, I think it is. We own like just under 1,000 shares. We did reposition her down. Oh man, this stupid thing. Just hang on, my computer's trying to reset itself here. We got this new software. So, sorry about that. So anyways, yeah, we do. And my position, I will show you in a bit once we get up to some more money here. We're close to over 100,000 in AMC right now in our account. And I do live. I show you how much is in my account. We don't hold anything back. This is the Wolfpack. We're very transparent. Okay, so. Yeah, it is. It's just how we are, right? We don't. The only thing that we don't, because you're new to the channel, we'll put targets for like the day. We'll set a target or something like that. What we like at C2, we don't. And we'll do live selling. When this thing does squeeze, I will be selling my shares with the Wolfpack. Like we don't hide anything. For the new people on here, I'm very transparent. When you sell is up to you. You guys push the button. I sell when I want to sell, right? We don't get bullied into anything on this channel. We don't tell other people, hey, you can't sell. Everybody has their own lives, right? My target is up over 1,000. That's the target I'm going for. If it goes higher, I'm going to be dumping some shares at about around $1,000. I'm going to be dumping probably about 180 shares. We have 2 different broker accounts. I use TD for about 800 shares. 800 some shares, and the other 140 shares is through wealthsimple.com, my broker. So we're having a good run here, guys. Look at this stuff. This is what I was expecting to happen. It's just I don't like to get on there and to like, there's a lot of these channels they'll have like you're paying for super chats. They're just collecting your money. Okay, we have built a different type of channel than that. We don't want all your money. We don't want donations like $5 just to talk to me. Like, I think that's a bunch of bullshit. Personally, I think you should be putting your money into AMC and other stocks. Okay. I want you to get rich. I'm already financially secure in life. If you watch my videos before, I can teach you how to make money. I can't tell you how, but I can show you what I've done. Right. So, yeah, if it hits $1,000, that's $1 million that I've made, pretty much, right? Give or take in that area. So I do say it's going to go up in the thousands. I'm not going to put a number on it, but it's going to go into the multiple thousands for sure. For sure. As soon as they get these bugs worked out, and like what just happened, one of the hedge funds in the UK just collapsed. Right? We're at 40, or no, sorry, I'll correct the information there because I was thinking something else. 35% of all hedge funds that had stake in GME and AMC and any other meme stocks have gone bankrupt. Okay, Citadel will take a while to go bankrupt, and I don't think they'll go into bankruptcy protection. They will pull out before then. Okay, they're tied to too many things. Okay, so does that answer your question, my friend? We got a lot of volume coming in here. We've already. How did I reach the price target on mine? The price target, okay, what we're seeing right now is false information. This thing's worth a couple thousand already on the black market. Okay, and I can prove that is go to Lou versus Wall Street. Go watch his videos. The guy is a freaking genius, and I support him 1,000%. Okay, I don't support anybody else on this channel. Any of the other YouTubers, they're all right, but they're all after money. They're all after these super chats and just taking money off you, okay? I don't care who it is. Lou is an honest person. He just, wow, look at this go. Remember I said $60 range we're going to hit? Just did it. See? So that's how we roll. We predict shit and we'll just go up the thing. And don't mind if I swear. This is where we drink coffee, we vape, and we just tell it how it is, right? It's a different type of channel. And that's how I got to my price target, man. When it hits to $1,000, I know what I want to do with my money. So yeah, Lou's the shit, man. As soon as we're gonna be going to Mexico together, me and him. Right. So and a lot of my subscribers, I do have a place. I go to Mexico, a resort. We usually rent a section of it, but COVID hit, obviously, right? But now that there's a lot of tubers on here on my channel. We're gonna have a hell of a party. We're gonna do live stock trading on the beach. That's what I would like to do. So as soon as this is all done, I'll be listing where I am, and you guys can come in. It's gonna all be securityed for sure. I'm gonna have a couple bodyguards and stuff. That's just how I am, like that down there, anyways. But yeah, it's gonna be a blast, man. You guys are gonna have your own section rented, and yeah, it's just we're gonna be partying with Lou and stuff, and all of us down there, right? So, but yeah, which state are you from? I'm up in Canada, actually, my friend. I'm the Wolfpack. We cover all of Canada. So, like, you know how you have YouTubers in every state down in the States? I support the States, definitely 100%. That's why you'll see some Canadian stocks. Canadian stocks, you can work millions and millions of dollars on it, especially with American money. That's why a lot of tubers will watch this channel. And because your money's worth more, you can flip and make twice as much money. And I am the gate to doing that. I'm the key to finding out what these stocks are at a fair price, and tell you when there's buy signals. Like everybody else up, you want to listen to. We have hedge funds up here too, right? So you're from California. Good for you, brother. That's awesome, awesome stuff. I used to live in California too. I've done some trading in California. So yeah, like that's awesome. That's awesome. So what? Anyways, American people will ask me, hey, what about Air Canada? It's already 50% off right now, man. And it's a screaming deal. Like you can get it at $27.49 right now. And I've already made like $3,000 on it. I bought it when it was like $23, and it goes up every day. It's already at like 0.59. So with an American money, as you know, it's worth more than Canadian, which is fucking awesome, right? You guys, oh wow, we just smashed another line of resistance from like last week. Today is going to be a fucking sweet day. Look at this go. We just need some more. We need a red stick, though, guys, because I know how to read charts too. I know you guys are like, fuck, Cam, we don't need a red stick. We need some consolidation. If it goes up too fast, Justin, brother, what's up? I'm doing awesome today, man. I just came in from my motorhome. I was just out on the lake. I shot a 50 second podcast because there's like limited data out there. It took me 2 hours to download that fucking clip for you guys. I'm doing awesome. I just came into town to get some work done on my Dodge Ram truck. It just has a leaky exhaust manifold, but it's driving me up the wall, up in the bush, and I just you can't hear anything. But I came back to shoot up a podcast first thing in the morning. I'm going to be on till about almost 8 o'clock, and then I got to bounce downtown. I might come on in at Power Hour, but I was just explaining that I'm Canadian too. Oh, I thought you said CA. I thought you said California, my friend. I'm from Vancouver. Whereabouts are you from, bro? So you must be making lots of money then if you're Canadian, because Canadian stocks you can make a fucking mint on right now. This is what we want. We want some more consolidation, and we'll pump this shit to the next level. Toronto, brother, yeah. I've never been to Toronto, but I'm definitely going there. I'm definitely going there, man. I'm gonna do some traveling. This year I'm just sticking because of COVID screwed us all over. But my wife's from Newfoundland, eh? So she's a Newfie. Isn't that funny? She's a goofy Newfie. She's my goofy Newfie. But yeah, she's an awesome girl. So what was... You do the Toronto Stock Exchange? I do too, buddy. I have, like I said, look at all these stocks. They're Canadian. Like we got some Air Canada here. We got some. I got stuff from Quebec here. Visions Lithium Inc. We got Sundial Growers out of Alberta, Canada. Right. A lot of people don't know this stuff's Canadian. Sundial. They're thinking, oh no, it's not. It's American. No, it's not. But guys, it's from Alberta, Canada. So, but anyways, yeah. So the thing is, with the Canadian market, I help the American Reddit groups and stuff like that. We're also affiliated with That's, oh, you're throwing the Canadian flag up. I'm not getting it on the computer. I'm getting it on a phone. Okay, I didn't see the flag there, my friend. I thought you meant CA. That's weird that it's not picking up these icons on YouTube. Weird. You're using an iPhone maybe? Maybe that's, or you're using an Android maybe, eh? Or something. But yeah, so anyways, they get a hold of me and find out what the prices are and find information on stocks because they buy chunks of stocks. We are concentrating. I don't do that much promoting Canadian stocks right now, except Air Canada. You're crazy not to buy Air Canada. Oh, there's tons of hedgies here. Oh yeah, they screwed. That's what I'm talking about. BlackBerry, man, is Canadian. BlackBerry is from Quebec too, right? As you know that. So Justin, glad to saw you there on that you are on. Camping was good. Yes, it was. It does drive me nuts, man. What else are good Canadian stocks? BlackBerry, buddy. It's underperformed right now. BlackBerry just sold they're in with Volvo. BlackBerry is better than Tesla. They have a hub now. They don't need people to drive. Like for the mines up here, like AW I call him just because of the abbreviations. It's just too hard. He's from Toronto. He knows about BlackBerry. I'm guaranteed he knows about BlackBerry. So BlackBerry now in the mines up here, we have these big mines like Suncor Energy is at 2.71. I'm already up $5,000 this morning on that. And that pays a dividend. If you watch my last video, dividend money gives you the incentive to buy the stocks. Okay, there's a lot of dividend stocks in Canada and the States. So the thing is that's where I made my money, right? And the dividend stock is every 3 months, I get free money on top of what the price is. They give you, I think it's 5% of your money. So I make like $25 because I have $5,000 in there for nothing. Plus, it's like a bonus here. Thanks for buying our stock. There's $25 every time. Some companies do monthly, quarterly, and annually. They pay you, right? You just look into it. Just Google dividend. Like, if you look on this chart, AMC, if you look down in the corner, dividend, they don't have a dividend. See, it'll say dividend yield. I think they do, but it's like 0.3%. But it's when a company does good, it's incentive to buy. Like Air Canada doesn't have it. They will. Like Suncor Energy, Enbridge, all those companies like that do it. Are you going to squeeze live stream on AMC? Yes, we are. When it squeezes, I'm going to be coming on live stream. If I can't get on live stream, which I probably will, but like say if I'm working or something, I have podcasts already built for you guys, templates, okay? So what that is a lot of the streamers know that, like when this thing squeezes, I'm going to be sending a podcast out. So it'll say SOS squeeze. It's going to give you a notification. So if you're at work and you're not around, if you have your notification bell on, I'll be sending 2 of them because the algorithm sometimes screws up and they don't send the video out. So I'll be sending out 2 of them. It happens with bigger YouTube. I'm not big, but I'm just saying it happens, right? So anyways, I got to cover some stocks here and we'll bounce back to this. Okay, so GME, we're going to go on here for a second. GME's at $215.91. They're down 2.95. So this stock could potentially squeeze too. And we're not sending out a notification for this one. If I do see it, yes, of course, I'll blast a podcast out for everybody. But I see a squeeze, but not as AMC is going to squeeze, I think, faster and more violent, okay? There's more people in on it. It just makes sense. These are expensive. Like to buy some shares is like a couple $1,000s, man. And you're not getting that many shares, right? So a lot of the traffic is over on AMC right now. And then we got Loop Energy out of Chilliwack, British Columbia. They're always suspended. That's why I won't buy. I've actually called these guys in person because they live down the road from me. They live about a 20-minute drive from my house. I tore a strip off them. I'm like, what the fuck, man? So anyways, yeah. So when we're selling, I'm going to be doing selling live, right? On YouTube with the Wolf Pack. That's what we are, is the Wolf Pack. Obviously you must know that. But yeah, so I would be selling live, and that's up to you what you sell it. I legally can't tell you what to do, but I'll be selling mine live, like in different chunks. I won't be selling, I'm selling at 2 different chunks. Yes, Justin. BlackBerry is a good buy at the current place. It could dip down to about $11. BlackBerry just signed a huge contract. What the fuck was it with? Oh yeah, back to BlackBerry. Sorry, buddy. Volvo Group. You know those big, the mine has those big trucks. They're going to be running with no people in them now, man. In the next 2 years, they've already building all, and it's going to be it's going to be hydrogen run trucks. They've already made them. You can go on the internet, and they have all your 90% of your smart cars. People don't know this, are run by BlackBerry. That cluster inside the dash is BlackBerry. 90, 80, 85% of the world. Oh, they signed a deal with China. 2 days ago, they signed a fucking deal with China. That fucking thing is going to go through the roof. I predict BlackBerry will be in the hundreds in the next couple years. In the hundreds, man. It'll be up there. It'll be at least 80 to 160 bucks a share. Okay, I sold my position in BlackBerry because I had it at $24. I'm going to buy BlackBerry. I could even buy it today, but I'm dumping another. It's saying we just lost stream. Oh, the stream just lost and came back. So BlackBerry, I will be doubling down in it, buying back into it. I had to sell my position. It was way too high right now. So anyways, we're going to jump on to, but I'm relocating. Let's go to BlackBerry right now. I'm going to be going into BlackBerry. See, I have all my targets set. So what happened was, this is where I sold. In this area here, I did lose 500 bucks. But the problem is I knew it was going to go back down, and I would have lost multiple thousands. I was down $3,000 on my position, which isn't good. So this is a deadly price right here. This is a good price. I might even buy today. I just don't know, right? But the news hasn't hit, I don't think, the market yet. Like, this is new news on BlackBerry that I'm telling you. Like, because Canadian, I get all the Canadian news, right? That's why I was telling a buddy there, but that's why a lot of people watch our channel, is because we cover breaking Canadian news, that I tell you about these stocks before they even hit the fucking market. Right? Like the COVID pill. We don't cover it anymore because they're up in a lawsuit, and I pulled them off my chart. I don't sponsor it. I flipped that thing. I paper handed that motherfucker. I made probably 60 grand in 2 months off that. And I don't cover it anymore because I don't promote stuff that is currently in a lawsuit. Yeah, it does, buddy. BlackBerry, and I can go into a whole bunch of other things. CPP Canada, Canadian Pension Plan, the unemployment are owned by BlackBerry. Now they signed a contract a couple weeks ago. They're cybersecurity. They have the best cybersecurity in the fucking world right now. That's another thing I forgot. BlackBerry has so many good things going on with it right now. I just got my share votes for their new management. I just cleaned up my office, so it's I already filed it away. It's in my filing cabinet. But anyways, so that's about BlackBerry, guys. They don't move that much stock, right? That's why the price. So if a big whale comes in and buys, they could jack this thing to $80. Like if they bought like a huge fucking chunk of shares, this thing will go right up. That's just the way it is, right? So yeah, and they don't pay a dividend right now, but they will, right? I'm gonna relocate. I'm gonna get a new position. Like I was up like about another $10 higher than this. It was not good, man. I got caught in the squeeze. Here it was, 24 bucks. I was up and around here. So it would have taken me years to recover my my stuff. So I did. I paper handed it and got the fuck out. See, the thing with this channel is I'd say how it is. If I want to sell, I'll sell, right? I don't care what anybody says. It's my money and it's my channel, right? If you guys want to sell and you have things up in your life, like my dog just had a heart plug put in it and it was $10,000. That's part of the reason why I sold BlackBerry. But I do have money and to reposition into it, right? And I'm probably going to put about 80 grand into BlackBerry. As soon as this thing squeezes, I'm putting about 80G in a BlackBerry. If you watch my last video, I'm going to go back to AMC. If you watch my last video here, the thing with BlackBerry, I don't like those lines. I'm going to have to pull those off when I get off with you guys. I hate those friggin' lines here. Let's try to fix that. I hate that. Sorry, guys. Fuck. I'll have to figure it out later. I don't like that. I hate that. It's very distracting. So anyways, so yeah, I'm going to put some big money into BlackBerry and Air Canada. Air Canada, I'm going to dump another, I've already got 5 grand in there right now, and I'm already up like probably a couple $1,000. Suncor Energy, I'm going to put more money into that. Like I said, Canadian stocks, you can make a lot of good money on, man. Right? Oh, Sundial Growers is up 15% this morning. It said, oh, everybody's going to love that. Good for Alberta. Go, guys. That's good. It looks like it's squeezing. It looks like it's in a gamma squeeze right now. Oh, that's one buy. That's scary. That's scary, actually. That's going to drive back down. I hate to say that, but that's going to come right back down. Here it comes right now. That's in one buy-in at 13. Somebody whale stepped in. Tax-free savings account. Yes, I do. I do use a tax-free savings account on some of my trades. Yes, I do. Through TD Bank. As you know, you're Canadian, you know what it is. And they have it in the States too. But yeah, I do use TD. And I use Wealthsimple broker, wealthsimple.com. And if you don't have an account there and you open an account, you can use my codes below and get yourself some free stock, right? I think they're offering, it used to be $10 free stock. I think they're offering free stock now instead of shares. You grabbed a little bit of BlackBerry. Good for you, buddy. It's all good. And just keep on adding to it. That's the thing, right, guys? There's a lot of people in on Sundial. I'll probably be making a video in the next couple days on it. I've made videos in the past. It's just that if there's no news, I don't cover it. They're having a fight right now. So what is... I just want to read some numbers here. What's going on? Yeah, there's a lot of people buying in right now. They're having a fight right now. Notice it's going up, down, up, down. People are selling shares off. That's what's happening. I can see it right here. So you guys see how this goes up the volume? Volume is just everything that sells. Okay, it could be. But when it goes up and then it sells exactly the same and keeps on doing this, you look at the market cap. Okay, see it's 2.03, 2.05, 2.03, 2.05. It means that shares are going in, shares are coming out. Shares are going in, shares are going out. Because a lot of people know that this thing could not go any, it might not go any higher, right? It's people have been waiting for, this is the highest it's been. Oh, fuck. Oh, it did hit a buck. Oh, I'm on the hour. I'm thinking $1.50. No. That's, so let's go back to the, it's been fucking, it's been 4 months. I'm not going to go back into it because, I do want to get on AMC because it's our main target today. This is the next squeeze, right? It's for sure going to squeeze on. And it's going to go into the thousands. Like I said, it's going to, for sure, going to go into the thousands. And the price you're seeing now is not $59. On the black market, this is already up to like $3,000. Okay, it's just that they're compressing it. And that's where these new laws are finding out. Things are going to change and all of a sudden this thing's going to go fucking nuts. Okay, but be prepared at $100 to $200 that there's going to be big sales, okay? There's big whales that own this, that they're in with Citadel, that are going to flush the market, okay? So it's going to, you could go up to 200 and it could drop back down to 60. But then the next day it'll go back up once it levels out, okay? It's just going to be very violent. If you watch the 2008 squeeze on Volkswagen, you'll know what I'm talking about, okay? It's going to be very violent. We're going to have $20, $50 changes like this, just like GME did, okay? But more violent because GME didn't have as much fuckery as this one. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, BlackBerry I've always been very bullish on. It's just that I've always been bullish on it. I just want to go back to BlackBerry because I was reading your note. I've been very bullish on BlackBerry. It's been having good news but bad results, if that makes anything. It was hedged to shit. It has been. The short fucking thing on that is crazy. That's why it was targeted in the Reddit. It was one of them, right? But see, there you go. Sundial's dropping now. See what I said? I'm pretty good at reading stocks, guys. So that was a pump. It's back up to 13. I'm not saying that it won't stay up any higher, but I can't see it going any higher today, guys. I don't. When you have a candlestick that long in one shot, what goes up comes down fast. You have to have consolidation, okay? That's why we dropped from up here down. Remember when we had that big candlestick, it went up, and I'm like, oh, fuck, this isn't good. Now, this is the proper way of doing it, guys. This is your buy-in area right here. Now, if we get too many greens like right here, it'll just come back down. But if we get consolidation, see, we've already tested this level once. I think we're going to break through and keep it the next one. How many times have we tested $60? I'm just going to do some digging here, guys. So that one we had to touch. We had to ham it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times before we could bust that 58. Right here. Yeah, there we go. There's our 1, 2, fuck off. 3 times right now. So the fourth one will probably go through. Okay, and stay. There we go. It's just the way this stock is. You look at, if you're watching stock, you look at past history on a stock. That's what I always do. Like, for instance, Air Canada or one of those other stocks like that. You look at what it sold for. Same as AMC. It's a $15, $14, $20 stock all day long. After the squeeze, it'll stay at that level. Okay, it'll stay at that level. Might go a little lower, but it will adjust to that level and stay there for the whole fucking life of the company, unless something. It's had a lot of news, so it might actually stay up in the 30s. Okay, but that's after the squeeze, guys. Just be very clear on that. Okay, see we had a sell off. That's exactly what I'm telling you guys. Where are we on AMC? Yeah, it went up too fast here. Which is good. It's fine. We're ill correct, man. We're gonna do good today. It's all good. I'm just showing. I always teach you. I can legally teach you that stuff. I just can't teach you prices and coherd you into buying stuff. They're getting very strict on it. I've had a couple people try to come on my channel and trying to bribe me into telling them prices. That's why I kind of shut somebody down on my comments there the other day, in a nice way. Is they're trying to bait me, okay? And they're slapping lawsuits out left and right on YouTubers for that, okay? And we've never done it, right? We don't even accept chat money, like, so they can kiss my ass, okay? But yeah, channel's all about vaping, smoking cigarette, and smoking doobies if you want. I don't smoke weed anymore. I quit a couple months ago, but yeah, man, I used to smoke all the Citadel's finest, man. I used to indulge big time, but my job, I can't. And it just made me too stupid. The weed's too good nowadays, man, from years ago. Yeah, Justin, I do. And like I said, even on my email, like cstrades101@gmail.com, you guys can talk to me on there too. It might take me a bit to get back to you. But like, if you don't want to talk about stuff on this chat bar, I will talk to you in person and stuff. And I don't charge for that. That's why it'll take me to get back to you a bit, because I don't charge for that stuff yet. When I get monetized, but I don't think I will because I swear too much, and I really don't care about that. There's no money for YouTube creators anymore, man. Unless you got millions and millions and millions of sub. Unless you're like Trades or something like that on the stock market. He makes money. Matt Coors makes money. Nobody else does. And if they do, they're full of shit. Okay, because I know how much they make. I'm a tuber, right? They changed the laws a couple months ago, 2 months ago, a month and a half ago. So it doesn't matter if I get monetized, I get monetized. If I don't, I don't give a shit. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for fun. It's just a hobby, right? I make my money on the stocks without the channel, right? I've been doing this for years. Even before all this hype, right? So yeah, but I do. If you guys want to sub, it looks good. It's a gratification on my end, right? To see you guys subbing, because then I know that you guys like the content, and it just gives me the drive behind it to get on here and to give you. But sometimes I'm negative information, right? And I lose subscribers because of it. But those guys can fuck off, as far as I'm concerned. Straight up, fuck off. Go to another channel. I'm very transparent. If I see something that comes up as bad news, I'm going to cover it. I'm not going to just blow smoke out people's ass and mislead people. That's where the lawsuits are coming from, right? You don't do that stuff. You be very transparent. If something bad happens, if something bad happens with AMC, I'm going to get on here and tell you about it. I'm not going to all of a sudden make a video and say, oh yeah, it's good. Keep on buying, guys. Buy. If it's going to go sideways and I know the fucker's going to go down, I'm going to get on here and rip out a podcast and say, guys, I'm selling. You do whatever you want to do. But that's what we're all about, right? That's why the majority of people respect me for that, right? But anyways, I'm just very chatty this morning. As you can tell, because I've been out relaxing, camping, I got this killer sunburn. I can barely even move. So yeah, we're testing that line again here. But like I said, we usually things don't straighten out till about 9:30, 10 o'clock with this stock. Getting a bit bad video feed here anyways. So yeah, back to the TSFA. You guys, you can put up to 80 grand in there, just so you guys know that. I think roughly now, right? But yeah, so the TSFA, I do have my majority of my trading accounts owned, guys. When this thing squeezes, you make your big chunk of change. Everybody's going to make different, right? I'm very transparent on this. When you pull your money out, pull out money, but expect to pay up to 40% taxes on that, okay? Depends where you are. Everything's different. Every country's different. Every state's different. Every province is different, okay? You got to look into that stuff, okay? Just call your revenue agency, and they will tell you, right? Don't just Google it and look it up, because it could be like last year or the year before's information, right? So I just want to protect you guys on that. And it's just common knowledge if you know where to look for it. If you don't, there's lots of misleading crap. We're going to get a reversal here. Oh, yeah, we're getting a reversal. I'll put it back on the 1 minute. We just got a reversal. That was nice. Totally right from red to green. I love it. There you guys go. See, I told you it was going to work its way back up. See, this is beautiful. If we do this all day long like this, couple red, some green, 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 red, green, 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 it'll go right up to $70, right? I don't have a problem with that, right? And we got a lot of volume coming in. There's hardly anybody selling. You can tell by the numbers here. 6.66. We don't have as much volume as we usually do. It's steady, but it's not on a rip, okay? But these new laws, they have to report shit now, so they're not, I do see less ladder attacks happening now. Yeah, see, that's pretty slow candle movement. Pretty slow. I'd like to see a little bit more volume coming in. As I say that, volume just started moving in. Ha! There we go. We almost got double the volume just right there. There's the candle we want to see. That's what we want to see. That aggressive movement. There we go. And it'll go whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, we're going to get a reversal the wrong way. Ah, shit. It is what it is. Remember I said you need that. Oh, it just pushed it back. So what is a bullish and bearish market right now? So we got bulls fighting bears. That's what's happening right now, guys. So obviously us fighting the hedgies, right? Does anybody else want me to cover any? Okay, what are the taxes like up there for you? I'm very lucky on the accountant as a family. The taxes are about 37% here, man. We pay about 37%. If you were to cash your money in off the stock market, you pay about 30. Roughly, it could be a couple percent either. It could be a couple percent cheaper. Probably not higher, but yeah, it's pretty frigging high. When I work, I pay almost 40% of my money to the government. Plus, when I buy something, I pay another 12%. It's bullshit up here, but we live in a beautiful country, right? I don't really complain about it. I just go forward, right? There's lots of ways to make money up here. That's the thing. In some countries, you're limited to just your job. And I'm talking legit money. I'm not slanging drugs and shit like that. I'm talking about legit money, right? Like dividend stocks, the stocks on the stock market. There's multiple streams. I've like 5 streams of income. I make Android boxes. Those Android boxes, TV boxes, I make those. You get 20,000 channels. They're $200. You buy it, $200. It works anywhere in the world. You plug it in. You get all your movies, everything. Our laws are different here in the States. Some states down in the States are highly illegal. Here they're not. Long as you don't download your content. If you stream it, you're good. And we sell them worldwide. I have a substantial amount of subscribers for that. So I make money doing that. I work with my job. I make like 40, 45 bucks an hour when I'm working, right? I'm an operator. I'm also a welder. I weld, right? And I do that. And then I do have stock markets. That's already 3 streams of income coming in. And then I'm also have a pension too, a union pension. So that's 4 streams of income coming in. right? And then what else do? I do side gigs too. I'm just trying to think. And I pay taxes on all this too. But the thing is, when you guys trade in money on the stock market, if you take the money out, I know you all want to do something. Take out a little bit. I know I talk to you guys like you're my kids. I'm sorry, but I'm older than probably 90% of you on the channel, which I just feel like I just want to be a mentor, right? A bit. Because I've done some serious fucking bullshit in my life, right? And some of it I can't talk about on here, but a lot of the legit stuff, and I can, right? And I just wanted to, like Lou versus Wall Street. We're the same seed, man, the same seed. So we're having a bit of a sell-off here, which will turn into a reversal here. It's just you're just working out all the bugs. That's all it is. Okay. So just don't get discouraged today, guys. That's up to you if you sell. We're not selling. We're not selling no matter what. I'm not selling until this is in the thousands, okay? And then I'm going to, as soon as it hits $1,000, I'm going to be dropping 188 shares. I'm very transparent on that because you do take profits along the way, okay? I'm leaving my majority of 800, my big cap, through the TD Bank. I'm not touching until, and this will all be done live, okay? So, and I'm just telling you that when, and if people say they're not selling, they're full of shit. Because I know people are selling in the hundreds. I know people have already sold and screwed themselves. Oh, free. Oh, okay. Free is asking, where's free? Oh, free. I didn't even see you there, brother. MicroVision squeeze. Do you think MicroVision? Yes, it will, my friend. Let's go over there. Sorry, free. I didn't see you there. I'm just yabbering away. Dude, I just missed you guys, man. Okay, MVIS. Where is it? There it is. I do, and you guys got fucking schwacked. What happened here? You guys got schwacked on that. I do own some shares. You guys. Why did I even say that? I don't own that much. I bought some the other, probably about 2 weeks ago. Not them, only a couple $100 worth, because I'm in AMC right now. I just did it just to help some of you guys out. Like you, Free, you and Kat have shares in that. I just wanted that one day that they were doing bad, I went and bought shares to help you guys out a bit. I know it's nothing, but so yes, I do think it's gonna squeeze. Very good company, very good company. They're in this here. There, that's better, isn't it? So very good company. Yes, the medical end of it, they do have some good shit on the table. I'm just seeing, do they pay a dividend? No, they don't. And I could see the squeezing, and yes, Free, I got your back. I just came out of work. Oh, right on. So yeah, brother, I just don't know when, but when it does, I'm going to send you my podcast. Like I said, I already got the template. It's going to be very short. I'm covering the motherfucker for you guys, right? I told you that. And a majority of my good friends have stake in this, okay? Like you, Kat, there's a couple other people. Justin, do you have stake in MVIS? Oh yeah, you did. You worked the night shift there, Free, eh? I forgot about that. I keep on getting, I forget, yeah. But yeah, that's weird that I would actually like to see this, but anything, you guys got whacked. Was it yesterday that it was down 10, 12%? I know when I was out in the boat, right? And I came back in from fishing, and because I check my stocks every hour. I check, right? Just because of the obligations I have with you guys. And I looked at it and I felt sick to my stomach. I was like, oh my God, man, I felt for you guys, right? But I told you guys already that when it hit $20 to really think about, if your stakes are in high, to really think about repositioning on this stock, right? I do think it'll squeeze, but the information on this motherfucker is very limited. It's like top secret shit. Yeah, it's all good. I'm watching it too. I like I said, I've told a lot of people that enter into MicroVision to watch yourself on this stock, okay? They don't get as much volume as they need. It probably will squeeze, but it's going to take some big fucking whales to come in here and do it, okay? That's all I'm saying. And if you can grab your, I'm not telling you to sell because I can't do that. But if you can grab your position and grab a lower position, you might want to do that without losing money. Okay. If you're way up in the 20s, 22 or whatever, up in that range, like just tough it out. Don't give anybody your money. I've always told you guys that, man. Like I took a hit on BlackBerry a bit, $500, but I'm repositioning. There's a difference. There's a difference in that you look out for yourself. Don't care what any other YouTubers say, right? And I get beat on for that. Okay, so I'm gonna go back, and as I say that, MicroVision's going up, because we had all this consolidation here, right? And it's on sale right now. So there you go, guys. You guys will get a little bit of a go today. I like I said, I can't predict this stuff. I'm better on AMC. I'm just gonna go through my portfolio here. I'm just having a quick scan here, guys. The guys in Bitcoin, you could have made some good fucking money in that. And I'm staying away from Bitcoin or crypto right now. I just, and people that have it, good for you. But I'm just really staying away from it. It's probably going to go back up to $30 or 30 cents. It's just that you gotta, any costs, you're a miner. That's awesome, brother. I'm probably not a gold miner, but I do gold panning. When I'm up camping, I have gold detecting equipment and I pan and all that stuff. That's my hobby. Cost, yes, we can check that out. Yes, we can. I don't know why it's not on the list. Add to watch list. Okay, where did you go, Cost? Okay, we do have to put this on. We're going to put it on the 30-minute. Oh. Yeah, we're going to keep it on the 30-minute. Just because it's all over the place, right? Cost is doing not that bad. Oh, it just went up. It just went up 1 point. It just went up 1%, just as we said. It might have been a lag. We might have had a lag. No, it is going up. It is going up. Good. Beautiful stuff. Like I said, I don't have staking costs either, but there's people that do, and you could do good on this. What is your free? What do you on costs? What are you in at? If you don't mind me asking. If you don't want to answer that, then you can always put a reply as in thumbs up, like higher or lower. That is personal information. I really don't like asking that stuff, but I'm just curious because a lot of you guys are in on this, right? And I'm not in on a lot of stocks because I don't spread myself wide. I try to keep focused. Okay, some of these stocks are my retirement plan, like Air Canada, Suncor Energy. Those are retirement dividend stocks, except Air Canada doesn't pay dividend right now. But I'm into making multiple streams of income. Okay, I don't just buy a stock and then make money and sit there on the stock and wait. No, I make money on the dividend too, so I get a double whammy on a stock, unless it's AMC or something where I'm into a squeeze, right? That's the only reason why I'm with the AMC is to squeeze, to be honest with you, right? It does have good, the movie thing is awesome, but if I was to do that, I'd just invest in Cineplex up here, right? I'm into making money, like that's straight up, right? And if some people don't like hearing that, I have 50 zero at $24, so you're just, oh wow, so you're in the money right now, my friend. You're in the fucking money. You finally went into the money today. Today's the day. You just did it, man. Good for you. You think MicroVision will squeeze with AMC? I don't say together, but MicroVision will squeeze. It's just that oh man, I just wish there wasn't so many legalities tied to this prediction shit. I just gotta watch what I say. Just let me think about that. The thing is like I've told Kat, and I think a couple of you guys, you've been watching it for a long time, okay? You know that answer. If you get that pit feeling in your stomach to sell, do it, okay? If you're ahead, like, I don't know. Let's use cost, for instance. You're finally in the money right now. If you've been waiting for 6 months for this to do this, and you have this weird feeling in your stomach right now, and you're like, oh, fuck, I don't know. I don't know the history on it. I'm just using this as an example. You do what you want, okay? You do what you want. Nobody's going to beat you up for it. Okay, even especially on this channel, if you come on here and I sold Cameron, oh man, and if it goes up, like right now, you're in the money, bro. You're going. So I would, if it was personally me, I wouldn't be doing anything today on this stock. I would just be kicking back and watching it, but I'd be watching it very close. Okay, And you can always reposition in on something. See, that's the thing. Everything has a dip, okay? Except AMC, I would watch what you do. I would not paper hand that shit, right? You will screw yourself because if it goes up, unless you're rich, which even if you're rich, why would you want to lose money? So anyways, I'm going to jump off this, my friend. You just went up like, just by watching this, we went up 2%. So we are on the 30-minute candle here because if we go back, oh, I could have put on the 5. Sorry about that. If you put it on the 1 minute, it's too much. Yeah, it's too much information. So yeah, it's going up today. For sure. You've already made 2% on your money. So just keep an eye on these things, guys. Take your sell limits off, though. I've always preaching that, okay? Take your upper sell limits off. Because we've had a couple guys with AMC and GME that I've gotten some mail that have woke up. That they wake up about 10, 11 o'clock. They're younger guys that work late. Got up and all their shares were sold. They got a hold of me, Cameron. My fucking shares are all gone in AMC. And this was at like $60. And now, or is it 60? Yeah, it was at $60. But now, then that was when it went to 70. It hit that $60 range. I guess the app was set or he didn't understand how, and he set the default for sell at that. So make sure that you look on your phones. Do I think cost will squeeze? I don't know that much about cost, my friend. I hope it does, but I don't know. I don't know that information. I will not make a remark on that. I just cover that for you and just give my predictions on it. Like, I'm not sell predictions, but I just kind of educate you guys on the past of what it's done, right? I don't know. All these meme stocks could squeeze, right? But we're also getting screwed. You have to realize that there's synthetic shares all over the fucking place. These hedges but the more hedge funds that go bankrupt, the better it is for the market, right? Because when they go bankrupt, they take that money with, like they take the money with them. Like they lose their money, but they put it back into the market to us. But when they're gone, all the bullshit's gone too, right? That's up. I don't know. I just know that AMC, and AMC's for sure gonna squeeze. Okay, I can't tell you when, but the numbers, you can look at the numbers. Let's go back here again. I'll show you what I'm seeing, guys. And Lou versus Wall Street seeing the same thing. There's 3 YouTubers that got their shit together. A lot of them have their heads up their ass. They're just after your super chat money. They're just after all these donations and all this stuff. Yes, I do have a tip jar, but I don't every video go, you want to make a donation and buy me a coffee or a beer? Like, come on, give me a fucking break, man. Like, go get a fucking job. Like, seriously, right? If you want to make a donation to me, for sure, I'll take it. All that money will go back into my whatever I got in my stocks, right? But I'm not after money. I'm not into this super chat bullshit, right? I don't mind talking to you guys. It's there for a reason on the side, is to communicate for you. It's not to, like, stronghold you, make you feel bad and money and stuff, right? Like, if you do make money, donate money, it will be going live into AMC or something like that. We just hit $59. Oh, we're bouncing at $59 right now. Oh yeah, I was going to show you guys something. Okay. Yeah, we got low volume coming in here today, guys. Oh, we're on the 5 minute. What the fuck am I doing here? So, anyways, we got low volume coming in. As you can see, this thing's usually just cranking, click, 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 click. That will happen at about 9-10 o'clock. Okay. So, what we have here, and we've only turned 8.44% over. Okay, the shares right here. Look at this. Look at this. Outstanding shares. Free float. Look at these numbers. You tell me what's wrong with that picture, guys. You tell me what's wrong with that picture. Okay? That's how I know there's going to be a squeeze. Okay? And I'll try to watch my swearing on here, guys, because I know you guys, some of you got kids and stuff because of COVID. You're watching your kids and stuff. I'll try not to swear on it. I only tried to do that, but like when I'm doing videos and stuff like that, like I said, I don't really care about YouTube that much. Like, it is what it is, right? I'm not after money to get monetized and all this crap. I'm just here to do it. It's just a way to relate to you guys. We are getting a bit of a downward action here. I wouldn't really stress out on it, guys. Why is I'm getting a major lag here? The hell? Oh, that was a good reversal. Holy crap. Did you see that? Did you guys see that? That's beautiful. Beautiful. Not bad. That was a full reversal from like red to like right up to 2.22. A little bit fast for my liking, but I'll take it. I'll take that. See, that's the problem when it goes up too fast, guys. But it's okay. We could, like, this thing is going to go nuts. Like, one day you're going to get on here, like, we had a taste of it when it hit the $70 range. It's going to go frigging nuts, okay? See, these new laws, they gotta show their positions now, right? Like, which is screwing them. They're going to find a loophole. For sure, they always do. Cockroaches always find a hole. You have to remember that. You have to remember, to be a hedge, you have to make 200,000 plus a year. That's the minimal criteria. That's one of the main criteria, just so you guys know that. It's sad. It's sick. It's sick. It makes me sick to my stomach to even think that. Like, that 200,000 a year, you know how many homeless people you could feed with that? Like, my money is going to be a majority. Oh, yeah, we're going to talk about, I was talking about the free float, the shares out and the free float. Look at these numbers here. You're trying to tell me there's no fucking synthetic shares out there? Are you fucking on glue? Right? Like, this thing should be, like, on the black market. And look, watch Lou versus Wall Street's videos. I don't have access to the black market. He has connections, okay? He won't show the stuff live, but he knows the numbers like I do. I've crunched numbers, man. We come up with the same fucking thing. This thing right now is about $2,800 a share, okay? I'm not bullshitting you. What you see is a matrix fucking algorithm bullshit, okay? They're driving it down with and they're holding the shares. The problem is they're holding your shares, okay? So say I go buy 100 shares today on AMC. They might not hit the market for 2 to 3 weeks, and if they do, they're only putting a little bit in at a time. That's where the problem is. They're monitoring the market. They're doing it themselves. It's a highly illegal, but how the hell they're gonna get caught? And I already predicted that on one of my videos. And Lou is on the same thing as me, but he had bigger balls than me to say it live. I did follow in his footsteps and behind him because he also has 50,000 subscribers too. Here we go. And me, I'm just a little guy, man. I just got a couple of subscribers, like, right? So the thing is what it would do is it could still damage me, but I don't, at this point, about when they switch the monetizing rules with YouTube, I don't really care anymore about it, about getting monetized. I really don't give a shit, right? So yeah, I was wanting to get monetized there for a while until they went and fucked all the rules around for creators, man. Now they treat us all like shit. Unless you got 1 million subscribers or 300,000 to 1 million subscribers, you're nothing. And it's built for those people to make more and more subscribers and you not to, right? It's built like that, right? And I'm not going to be getting on here and clickbaiting my program and making a whole bunch of false bullshit just to get subscribers, right? I already feel bad in some ways, telling people, hey, if you got to subscribe to get your notifications, but that's the truth. How am I going to get a hold of you, right? That's strict truth on that. So enough about that stuff. I know you guys come on here to hear the stories and stuff like that too, right? A lot of you guys will just kick back and just listen to me yatter, right? But some guys want me to talk about stuff here, strictly about stocks. Just trying to think if I should draw. I'm not going to draw any trend lines or anything like that. I was going to draw some, but we already have them, right? Nothing's changed. Until we get into the $70 range, it's the same shit. That's why I haven't been doing that many videos, because like I said, I'm not going to make clickbait out there where I'm just talking about shit that means nothing, right? Like there's nothing's new. It's all the same stuff. You guys know it. You're smart, right? I'm not going to treat you guys like a bunch of idiots. Right? That's the way I think of it too. I don't need to, I've already sent a couple of videos. I've already reiterated the stuff, and I know it pissed a couple of you guys off. I got some comments in my private stuff saying, why do you keep on talking about the same stuff? We know that you're going to send a podcast out when it squeezes. It's because if you look at the sub count, it's gone up almost double in the last like 4 weeks. So there's like, out of fairness, I do that. Wow. blow this up a bit for you guys. Sorry about that. I know you guys are watching off smartphones. Okay, Justin. I like to just chill with you guys. Stories and chit chat is nice. I know. That's what I like to do, dude. I like to do. And then the other thing with Ortex and all that stuff. There's other channels that cover Ortex. Ortex is bullshit, man. I'm not gonna get out here and start doing. I had a guy a couple weeks ago. Man, you never do any diversions or stock charts, and you never break stuff down. I break it down to the basics, man. I'm not gonna go into Ortex and start drawing lines. I do if it's like something like serious, like if we're in a squeeze or we're setting ourselves up into a bull flag where we're like in trouble. Yes, I will do that, and I'll teach you different candlestick charts. Like we got long wicks today on this shit, which is weird. That's weird because I've never seen that before since these new laws came out. Yeah, see, it's messing with a couple things here. So anyways, yeah, I could pull up Ortex charts and stuff, but it's not real information, man. It's not. Right? Even some of the bigger YouTube channels are saying they used to stand by it like gold. Now they're saying it's only 80% accurate now. Why would you even broadcast that? Right? Because you don't even know if it's 80% accurate. Ortex is owned by hedge funds. Right? And it's not even real data. Yes, the interest to borrow and that stuff. Yes, that is real information. And the shares out isn't. Like, it's just crap. I don't feel comfortable about giving you guys bogus crap information like that. I don't think it's fair. I'm not going to pump a stock. Not that I'm anything, but if all the little YouTubers did it too, it makes a difference on the market, right? I'm not into that. Here we go, guys. Oh, yeah. I already know something's going to happen today. I'm just not going to say it because, yeah, I'm just going to kick back and watch. You're going to see something today. It's going to be a little bit later, though. I'm just going to have a pullback. I can't get the chart up high enough here. Just going to go back here and have some look. Do you guys want me to cover anything else? You guys... Cat, how you doing? You're probably tripping out like what? Oh, he's on live. Yeah, what's the distraction today? Trent is now over. Yeah, I know. The distraction today is, I don't know. I've been just talking about nonsense and about how people are, all these bigger channels are all after money with super chatting and all this clickbait shit with Ortex and all this junk that they put on there. There's a couple ones. I'm not dogging everybody, but I've just been seeing a lot of junk on there lately, man, and it's the same shit. So anyways, yeah, we're just talking about except Lou versus Wall Street. He's a funny motherfucker, and he's not for everybody, man. You have to have tough skin to watch him. Okay, same as with my channel. I'm not for everybody. There's a lot of people that don't like me, right? And it makes me grow more and more mentally, right? I'm a weird fucker, but no, it's not for everybody. Like this channel's not for everybody, right? Because if you want me to start drawing lines and lying to you and feeding you bullshit, you're on the wrong channel. But Kat, I was I was out camping and. Things are going to be a little bit different today. We've noticed that that these candlesticks have very long wicks. That's not normal. That means that they're testing high levels and the bodies they're having problems trying to find a happy medium to lock in at. It means there's a lot of movement each way. Oh, thanks, Justin. Thanks, brother. Thanks. He feels the same way I do about charts, man. It's just a way to fill up the space to get more clicks onto your channel, right? And that's the thing, right? Yeah, there's a lot of clickbait out there. I go through it too. I go watch the channels too. I watch a lot of people too. I watch about 5 or 6 of different creators out there, and a lot of it on hacking, computer hacking, right? Because I like to know what to prepare for and what to secure myself, because I have a lot of protected documents. As you know, my computer's already been hacked, but I have multiple computers hooked to this one. So I'm not going to say it's impossible. Oh, thanks, Free. Thanks, man. You guys are awesome. Right? Like you're my, like, yeah. When I go to Mexico, if you guys can make it down there, like I said, we can all hang out together and we'll do some livestock trading together on the beach, man. I'll be down there for a couple of weeks, and I'll have at least 4 or 5 days just to hang out with you guys, right? There's about 100 of us going, right? But you guys are welcome to go. I'll be posting it live. I'll be doing videos from down there too. But that's off after COVID. That's like, I've already had my first shot, and I'm booked for my first shot in 2 weeks. Second shot in 2 weeks. I don't know. But that's like, I go in January, February, just after when it gets cheaper. It's just that, not that I can't afford it, but why would I give away money? It's too fucking hot there, man. At that before then, right? And it's a better time to go after Christmas, right? Just after Christmas, like about 3 weeks after Christmas, I found that this is the best time to go. And I go to Tulum. That's where I usually go, to Tulum. But I think I might go to Cancun, but somewhere, I don't know what I'll do, because we want to rent a half a resort, or maybe the whole resort. I don't know. We usually rent a quarter of one, anyways. Like in Tulum, we had fucking the whole upper section on the I forget the name of the resort I went to now. It was in Tulum. Prince Pele? I think it was there. Yeah, that's what it was. I can't remember, man. It was like a year ago. Whenever COVID, we went down there, eh? And then COVID hit. And then we came back and we found out there was COVID. We didn't know, right? That's right. Yes, free. You have to pay them. See, that's the thing. And if you pay $5, they're not going to talk to you. But if you drop him $500, he'll spend 2 seconds to talk to you, or she will. There's also girls on there doing it now too. They make a lot of money like that, man. Like, seriously. And do they ever buy stocks live like I do? Have you ever seen one of those big YouTubers go on there and buy live stocks? Okay? Tell you that, because they don't. They pocket your money. Okay? Trey's trades might be a little bit different. I don't know. He does have a huge following, but to try to ask him a question or anything like that, you won't get an answer, right? And I've tried, and I'm a subscriber even. I don't have anything against him. I'm not dogging him. The guy's all right. Like, he knows his shit, right? For a younger guy. Like, he's only 24 years old, right? And he's who got me started. Him and Matt Coors. I watched their channels and thinking I could make something, I'm not saying better, something different for a different type of crowd. And that's what happened. And it worked out good. But yeah, it's a little bit different. I have to drop my truck at the shop. You too, brother? My truck's going to the shop too. You take her easy, Justin. My truck's, like I said, going in the shop in 15 minutes, guys. I got to bounce too, but I might come back on today. So you guys, if you want to watch me later, I'm just gonna log on. I'm not gonna put a notification out there. You'll just see me pop up. Okay, I might do it. What do I do for work? I'm a welder and retired welder, but I'm an operator now. I operate machinery like in mines and all that kind of stuff, like cats, loaders, dozers, graders, all that kind of stuff. That's what I do. So yeah, but I'm gonna be on here for a bit. I'm gonna be on here for a little bit longer. And then I'm going to come back on. I'm most likely going to come back on for a bit anyways. And I'm heading back out camping for another week and a bit. But like I said, I'll be coming back and checking on you guys. And I got you guys on YouTube out there anyways. It's just posting videos. Like I said, took me hours just to get that 50-second video out there. So I'm not going to be doing that. The data is sporadic. I do have the templates already built in case this does squeeze. I just push a button and it uploads. That's different. It's already uploaded to the server. Here we go. So, but yeah, take her easy, brother. And I'm a dozer operator. Well, then we're from the same family, man. That's awesome, Free. But yeah, I'll be on here for another 10 minutes exactly. 11 minutes exactly. So yeah. Oh, yeah, I was thinking of you, Kat, there when the other day, what happened? What went up? I went brain dead here. MicroVision went for a bit of a rip the other day there. I was looking at it. I was out in my boat actually. When I looked at it, I was thinking of you guys. I was thinking, is she gonna do what we talked about? Did it get to her magic number yet? So. Yeah, I was just wondering if you guys want to do, like, you guys got to look out for number 1, because you can always take your position again, right? Do. You couldn't? That's all good. You'll have your chance. You'll have your chance, girl. It's all good. That's how I feel too, right? I was long on BlackBerry, but I had to do it. I just had to do it. I took a hit. Like I'm live and I took a hit, a $500 hit, but I'm repositioning though. I have a plan. I'm going to be putting like probably $80,000 down on it. Soon as, and hopefully it doesn't go up by then. It could because of the new news that just came out on it. In China, they signed some huge deals with building the cluster for pretty much 80% of all smart cars. So that just happened yesterday. So it fucking hasn't hit the news yet. That's going to go crazy. That's going to, in the next couple of years, that stock's going to be worth a lot of friggin' money, man. I want this AMC to hurry up and squeeze here, like, so I can take a position, right? Like I was telling everybody, I'm going to be cashing when it gets up over 1,000. I'm going to be taking 188 shares. The rest will be staying in there out of my 1,000. But I expect that's the proper way of doing it, guys. You got to take a little bit of it out. That's the proper and smart way to do it. Okay, I'm not telling you to sell. I'm saying you look after number one. That's what this channel is about. Okay, those shares. Which stock? Oh. Free, which, sorry, buddy. Okay, let me look back. Oh, are you asking Kat what she's long on? What stock? I don't know. Are you talking to her? I don't know. If you are, then I'll shut up. You guys can talk. It's all good. That's right. Yes, you're Canadian. AW, yes. And tax-free savings, no, there's no taxes on it unless you take that stock out of your tax-free savings account. Okay, remember that. So if you put stock in your tax-free savings account, say AMC squeezes. Well, AMC squeezes. You cash that stock out, okay, at whatever price. That's up to you, right? And you say, don't take it out of your tax-free savings account. You leave it in there. That money, it just transfers from, because it's a trading account, stays in that trading account. No, you don't pay taxes on it until you take that money out. If it's 30 years down the road and you take it out, you're going to be taxed on it. Okay. That's a percentage of it. I don't know the exact amount. Or some of it you're not taxed on. You need to, if you're Canadian, you can call Revenue Canada. That'll tell you all that stuff for free. By law, they have to. I know that a tax-free savings account, you're allowed up to 80,000 that is tax exemption. Okay, I think it's 80-something thousand. Every year it's up like $5 or $6 grand. Yeah, are they? I was looking at Kat. Kat knows quite a bit about this stuff too. You might want to talk to her about it too. She's brought a couple things to my attention. But yeah, the tax-free savings account is the best way to do it. I wish I would have done more of it in mine. I don't know how much I'm in it. I know I have about 40 grand, and I did have before and when I first started trading. And then I lost 20 grand. I invested in some bad shit, like Vision's lithium, which will probably go up out of Quebec. I lost 5 grand in there. I'm like down 85% the last time. And this is the only reason I keep it up here. This one right here, BES. Out of the States. I'm at $1.30 on that. I lost another 5 grand. I'm still minus. I'm very transparent on this stuff. That's what got me to not buy on FOMO. So what I do now is I look at the past history of the stock. Like we'll use Air Canada, for example. It's trading at $27. That's a $50 stock all day long. All day long. And it's probably going to be worth more when the COVID restrictions up. So I know, same as AMC. I bought that at $14 for the 800 shares at $14, 14 and some chump change. And then I know that that's the bare minimal. It'll always be worth that, okay, in an open market after all this stuff is off the table. I know it's around $14 to $20. So I know I'm safe because it held that for its lifetime. It's gone to that mark at least 15 times, okay? That's what I do now, and it's worked to my advantage. I don't just jump, and I think a couple of you gotten stung the same way, is jumping in on something. And what I do not buy is after hours now. I don't buy a stock after hours, and then all of a sudden in the morning, you always lose money. Because those cocksucker fucking banks and stuff like that. Pardon my language. Sorry, I gotta watch. I just get so mad. They'll hold your stock, and you might not get that order filled till like 8 o'clock. Meanwhile, you're like, what the hell? Or with my luck, you're buying on I'd never buy on green days, ever buy on a green day, because why would you buy something? I always buy on a red day. You get it on sale. I'm cheap, okay? I didn't get well off from throwing money away, okay? Like, my house is already paid off, okay? It's only a condo, but still, I paid it off within 4 years of purchasing it, all from the stock market and working, okay? Like I said, you got to have multiple streams of income coming in, okay? That's why dividend is good. Stock market dividend. That's what I'm doing, like, wow, we got a huge chunk off. I can't see a sell-off. I can't see that. See, they got a couple tricks up their sleeve. I can't see a sell-off. I can't see this much consolidation and it driving down that low. It's not normal. Yeah, that's not normal, guys. I'm just looking at this right now, yeah. Okay, we'll see the volume here. Yeah, there's no way. That volume's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, it's not. What is happening is they're speed trading back and forth because there's nothing happening. It's just going from 52, 10, 52, 13, 52, 10, 52, 13, 52, 10, back and forth, back and forth. Oh, sorry, wrong one. My bad. Whoa, Cameron, you're fucking losing it. The volume will always change. Sorry about that, guy. I'm looking at the wrong one. I'm looking at market cap. When it goes back and forth like that, people are buying, it's going to go up. When they're selling, it's going to go back, okay? Because you're pulling money out of the company, putting money back in, if it goes back and forth, the same number and it's dropping, it's bullshit. They're doing speed trading or something. They're messing the algorithm up, okay? See, look at that. I just proved it right. That number, when this moved up, it actually went up instead of down. See, look at it right now. 44, 43, 42, 43, 42, 43, 42, 43, 42, 43. See? See what I'm saying? 42, 43, well, 41, 42, 41, 42. And see it go like this? See? Bullshit. It's bullshit. It's back at 42, 44, 40. Yeah. High will AMC go on the squeeze free. Into the thousands, my friend. Into the fucking thousands. It will. It will. I don't know how long it'll stay there for, but it will go in the thousands. It'll go into the thousands, okay? The thing is we need a couple of these more hedge funds to get roasted and to lose money. It's just a waiting game, guys. Like, that's all it is. Is like, if you see on TV how many they've gone into bankruptcy protection, a lot of them, and some of them have gone full under, like the ones in the UK, and 30% of them in the States have, that are tied into. Notice that the one on the news hour on GME is just going bankrupt now because the bastards are holding on right till the frigging end, okay? Because it's pride, okay? You have to think that they make 200 grand just to be a hedgie, okay? So it's all pride. It's all about money, power, okay? The company doesn't want, the hedge firm doesn't want to advertise going bankrupt, or they're going into bankrupt. Notice that they didn't advertise they were in bankruptcy protection, okay? They just went bankrupt. Well, that's not the way it works. You put in for into the government, as anybody knows, into bankruptcy protection first. They didn't advertise that. A lot of companies will advertise because they can. How do I get the podcast? Oh, you just sub to my channel, my friend, and then you'll get it automatically. You just hit the sub button on. Oh, here's my message. There you go. I gotta go, guys. That's my message to get down and get my truck going. I'm gonna come back online though. Give me an hour and a half, and then yeah, give me an hour and a half, and I'm gonna come back on. I'm just gonna throw some laundry in, take my truck back, get things just rocking here at the house. So yeah, AW, you just hit the podcast or you just hit the sub channel. Any of your friends hit the sub. You'll get the for MicroVision, and any one of them that I see that squeezes, but the main ones that I see potentials is MicroVision and AMC. Okay, GME could do it, but if I see a squeeze, I might not have a template built for it because I do for the other two, especially if I'm not around. But I will blast 2 podcasts out there within a half or 15 minutes of each other in case you don't get that algorithm. Okay, so yeah, guys, you take it easy, Wolfpack. Keep it real. And thanks, Kat. Thank you for everybody. Thanks, Free. Thanks. I'm trying to go through the list. Thank you, AW. Justin, he's already in the shop taking his vehicle in. Love you guys lots. I seriously do, man. And thanks for keeping it real. And I will be back on here, okay? I'm not going to be putting out a notification. You're just going to see me come on because there's no sense in me advertising when I'm going to be on, okay? I'm just going to go on live. And if I see you guys, I see you guys. If I don't, I'll just sit here and talk to myself. It's all good. I'm just on here because I'll be sitting here watching the market anyways. I'd just rather just to hang out with you guys and stuff. So anyways, I won't be on here tomorrow morning. I'm going to be out camping. But you guys know I'm watching this. Okay, I'm watching this 24/7. Ding, 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 ding. Cuckoo. I am cuckoo, but I'm watching this for you guys, okay? Even when I'm out my boat, I have notifications set right on my Bluetooth speaker, okay? So when I get a notification when the price adjusts even 1%, bloop, bloop, my Bluetooth speaker in my whole boat, out my trailer when I'm outside, everything goes. My alarm on my watch, everything goes, okay? So you guys keep it real. I'm out of here. Over and out. Have a good day. See you in a bit.